You guys, so this is actually big because Claude Fable 5 is officially back. Like right now, today, it is live again. And so if you don't know what that even is, this is hands down the most powerful AI model that Anthropic has ever made. It's one of those that was pulled off by the US government 3 days after it was launched just because it was too powerful, and now it's back for everyone. And real quick before I get into it, if you're onto this AI stuff, Claude tips, little tricks, tutorials, how to get the most out of these tools, that is pretty much all I make on this channel. So if that sounds like your kind of a thing, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button because I put out these kind of tutorials regularly on the channel. So now let's get straight into it. So here's the deal real quick though, it's rolling out over the course of today. So don't panic if it's not showing up for you just yet, even it's not showing up for me, because it's definitely coming today, just give it a few hours. So now the most important part is that if you're on Pro or Max, then Fable 5 is included in your plan up to about half of your weekly usage limit, which is honestly kind of insane, right? Because this is the most expensive model out there, and for a few days, it's just sitting out there in the plan that we already pay for. And the catch is that it's only available for us on our paid plans till July 7th, after which it will become pay as you go. So now Anthropic didn't actually give us an exact cutoff time, but if I had to guess it, I'd probably say that it would be by the end of the 7th Pacific time, since that's their home turf. So the rest of us, I guess that's roughly around 7 AM UTC on the 8th. So you guys got about a week where the best model money can buy is basically free on your plan, so it's the best time to make the most of it and use it. So now talking about what happens after that, so once that window closes on the 7th, it will shift to a pay as you go plan. So what that means is that it will start pulling from your usage credits, which is basically you loading up a balance and paying per use on top of whatever you already pay for on your subscription. And guys, I'm not really being dramatic when I say this, but this thing is extremely expensive. Fable 5 costs you $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output. That's like double the price of Opus. So in real terms, one serious coding build might run you a free bucks, and a heavy day of just vibe coding could easily hit $20, $30, even $50, and is genuinely the most expensive one on the planet right now. So honestly, my advice here is pretty simple. Just go use it as much as you can in this week while it's still there included in the plans. Push it as hard as you possibly can, build that thing that you've been putting off, and just figure it out yourself if it's actually worth paying for after the 7th, because once that window closes, it's basically that every single prompt is coming straight out of your wallet. And that's the update, guys. So if you didn't know it was back, or if this just saved you from a surprise build later, then drop a like, and as I said, subscribe if you want this kind of stuff pretty much daily. I'll catch you guys in the next one.